Hi everybody, my name is Marissa Willits and I decided to do my author profile on Veronica Roth, and I titled it The Woman Who Creates Worlds. So Veronica Roth grew up outside of Illinois. She graduated from Northwestern University and she's a big fan of the book The Giver, which I personally loved as a child. She wrote and published her first book, Divergent, in her early 20s. She writes dystopian fantasies. Her writings are all about this distorted version of reality. Both of her series have these strong female protagonists that wants to be able to show people that they're different from what others perceive them to be. She's able to create these elaborate stories that young adults can relate to and feel like they're real life, while still having this fantasy and whimsy of a book that lets them escape life for a while. Here are some of her books. You can see the Divergent series. Up above there's the mini-series, and it's all about Four, the male character in the Divergent series, and her new series, which is called Carve the Mark, which I am personally really excited to start reading. Here are some quotes by her in her books. They're just really great quotes. They're just kind of simple ones, but they're still really good. Some takeaway points from her books is that they're creating a new world where everything is so different yet so familiar. She's a great writer and she's able to make you feel like you're in the middle of this amazing story without even leaving your seat. She's a great up-and-comer writer, and one day she's going to be one of those great young adult authors that everybody knows. Here's a little video. It's an interview that she did for The Guardian.
Hi, I'm Veronica Roth, and I wrote the books Divergent, Insurgent, and Allegiant. And Divergent tells the story of a young woman who lives in futuristic Chicago, in which society's been divided into 5 factions, and each one is dedicated to cultivating a particular virtue in its members. So those virtues are intelligence, bravery, honesty, compassion, and selflessness. And the book is about Triss growing up in a little bit of a repressive environment and making a very bold move that proves to be very dangerous.
What were your inspirations and influences for the trilogy?
Well, I kind of got the little piece of the idea for the books when I was enrolled in a psychology class my first year at university. I was learning about exposure therapy, which is a method of treating people with anxiety and phobias in which they're repeatedly exposed to the thing that scares them in a safe environment until they learn a healthier response to that thing, whatever it is. And that's where I came up with the creepy simulated realities that the Dauntless use to help people eradicate their fears. So after that, I just kind of pieced the rest of the world together.
Wow. And how did you choose the character traits, the factions? Obviously, Dauntless is for fear and bravery, but what about the others? Because there's so many virtues in the world, but
right.
How did you choose those 5?
Well, I made it very personal. I thought, if I were creating a world in which people had to pick a bunch of virtues, these are the ones that I would choose. And they also seemed to me to be the kinds of virtues that lent themselves to kind of cultural things, like a way of dressing and a way of speaking and things like that. So that's kind of how I picked them, sort of at random.
So that's just one of her interviews that she's done. You can tell she's really passionate about the stuff she writes about. Last but not least, here's my Works Cited page. I hope you guys really enjoyed my presentation. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.